Okay, welcome to the demonstration of the freestyle human-like writing assistant. I don't know about you, but I've had many challenges over the last couple of years of getting AI to provide me with actual human-like writing. Usually you can tell that the content is generated by AI. It's very annoying, and yes, it keeps getting better, but we are well ahead of the curve with Blackbear AI because we're using proprietary prompts. We're using an approach that taps into the world's best AI. And as a result of our prompts and the proprietary nature of the algorithms that we use and the API, we're giving you the perfectly crafted human-like writing content that you deserve. It's very straightforward. You can enter a keyword phrase, command to get organic human-like responses. And organic human-like responses comes down to exactly what you would expect in something like, let's say, a conversation with someone, maybe a transcript style of material, or maybe the best example of them all would be something like an email. And the email that you might write could be anywhere from being kind of friendly, someone that you really know well, all the way through being a little bit more formal and maybe even a little bit corporate, but still importantly human-like. So if we want to do that, we can do it right here with a simple one click, and we're going to enter in a topic, maybe a market or an idea, some instructions here about what we actually care about. So you can, oh, by the way, and you can see that the output is going to include a bunch of really great stuff. So imagine that we want to do something like, let's say, the law of attraction for entrepreneurs, right? So law of attraction for entrepreneurs, maybe even something more like this. And I'll just do for giggles, how about in 2025 to pick a year? All right, so if I do the new build here, we're gonna get some great material. It does have to build. And the reason is that, again, we have a proprietary algorithm that we use. We have prompts that are in place that allow us as well through an API to connect to the world's best AI, like the engine. Okay, so you can see right here, that was pretty fast. It popped up. There was no pause at all. It just took maybe 10, 15 seconds, which is great. The user interface here is so simple, as you can see for yourself. Okay, so we know that the universe is a canvas and the law of attraction is the brush. Right. So this is great. 2025 law of attraction, just like we wanted. And you can see that this is pretty human-like. If you think you can, if you think you can will your business success into existence, you're not wrong. Okay, pretty cool here. That's the kind of language I might end up using. Or picture this, Sarah, a budding entrepreneur, packed her bags, right? So this is the kind of language that you might use if you had tightened up something that you just kind of spilled out. I don't know about you, but very often when I talk or when I write an email, I just send it and I'm good and I'm done because it's just something fast and quick and dirty, right? But if I actually want to create something that's still human-like, still you can tell a human wrote it, then I'm going to spend a little bit extra time and go through and refine it. So in this case, because of the prompt, because of what I dropped in and when I built this, the great news is that it already has tightened up the writing, but still kept it very human, as you can see. Here's the truth, business landscape is shifting, right? So this is a little bit more formal, but it's definitely human. Don't believe me? I dare you to hop down the rabbit hole and experiment, set your intentions, write them down. So this is very conversational. This is very importantly, very human. And this is another thing too. I mean, even some of the punctuation, universe loves a doer. That's the kind of thing that I might say or I might write in an email. Very good. Now, as promised, you can see here SEO keywords. This is awesome. We also have hashtags. We have a pseudonym article. If you're going to write this as an article or use it as an article, right? Human written article. Here's the blurb summary. And then even the title. It's all right there for you. And again, the key here is that this is something short and sweet that you might speak yourself, you might type yourself very quickly. In some cases, you might simply go through, create the content and do a quick edit. In other cases, you might just kind of spit it out, say it, write it really fast, and then edit, edit, edit. And it becomes more formal and it becomes more concrete, but still, here's the critical key, but still very, very human. So that gives you a quick demo. I will also say this is kind of cool here that we can just copy the results and you'll see that it copies to the clipboard. So you can just drop it into an email. You can email yourself. Another version of that is that you can drop it into like a Microsoft Word document, or maybe you drop it into a Google Doc, or pick your poison, pick whatever it is that you like the best for your Word editing. And you can import it to doc as well. So you can import it into a document as well. Very straightforward, very, very cool. And again, Freestyle human-like writing assistant. And I will point this out is that, if I go ahead and I click build and I do the exact same thing and use the exact same instructions here that I just used, I am going to get a different result. It may be more formal, it may be less formal, but the content will be different for sure. I can guarantee that the content will be different. So you can run this again and again and again and again to get exactly the right human-like content that you deserve and that you can use in your business to make money, to grow your list, to get those affiliate sales, perhaps for part of your consulting and strategy business. Could be almost anything. The sky is the limit with Blackbear AI and the Freestyle human-like writing assistant. And I do want to point out here is that we currently have at least 79 different tools inside Blackbear AI. I encourage you to get in, take a look at what we've got, utilize the other writing assistants, the other tools, the other builders that we have here. Again, all proprietary, all designed to help you in your business, especially if you're a content creator or if you're a creator in general. But if you need content, if you need the heavy lifting done or want the heavy lifting done by AI, Blackbear AI is the way to go. If you want to see more of these demonstrations and get more business ideas as well, I do strongly encourage you to go ahead and like this video, share it with a friend, of course, and comment below as well. Definitely leave a comment. We read everything. Appreciate you, appreciate the time. This is John S. Rhodes of the Rhodes Brothers, and we will see you in the next training. Take care.